Good evening, and I welcome you, students. This is going to be a very important and amazing session. Here we have with us sample paper of chemistry students, and we will like to introduce to you what type of paper will be there in your board exam, students. And I will do this in parts. And in the first part, I will be solving today's section A, students, which has paragraphs and questions. What we You see that now we are ready for the board paper. We will continue to do our revision lectures and important questions of different topics, right? At the same time,
Yes, sir.
I want that you should be exposed now to what is the latest trend of the board paper. See, the first thing, journal instructions. You will get time, students, in the paper to read the journal instructions. Do you get time? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
How much time you get for reading the journal instructions, students?
Sir, total 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Yeah, that's a quite a good time, students. That means at that time, student, I will read the entire paper which is given to me in the board. Okay? Okay.
Yes,
What
sir.
it says, read the following instructions, student. What are instructions, students? You see that whenever you are preparing for anything or whenever you are going for a test, there are certain instructions which are given to you, students. Rather than reading in the paper, we can read it here, so that will save your time. It is not a question, but it is saying there are 33 questions. How many? 33 questions in this
33.
question paper. All are compulsory. What it means, you have to solve all the 33 questions. Clear?
Yes, sir.
There is no otherwise choices as such, but internal choice is given. Let us see. Section A, students. Section A. You will note down each and every point, student, with pen, because everything helps you. I will decode each and everything. I will try to see that you understand everything. Question 1 to 16, ठीक है? 1 to 16 are objective type questions. Question number 1 and 2, passage based questions, students, carrying 4 marks, while question 3 to 16 carry 1 mark. Clear? What
Yes,
is
sir.
the meaning of the passage, students? You know that in large number of exams nowadays, earlier also in CAT and SAT or whatever exams you will give students, GMAT, etc., or any competition, they are giving paragraphs. You have to read the paragraph and then questions based on that paragraph are asked. Is there any mugging here? Tell me.
No, sir.
So that is my point. So we, unless we understand the paragraph, student, how will we answer the questions? I always tell you, students, take more time in understanding the question, then you will need less time in answering the question. Right or wrong? Tell me, right or wrong, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Section B, question number 17 to 25 are short. They carry 2 marks each, student. Section C, 26 to 30 are short, carry 3 marks each. Even in these 2 and 3 marks, there will be 1 and 2, A and B, like that. Section D, 31 are long answers carrying 5 marks each, student. There is no overall choice. Okay? No overall choice. But internal choices have been provided. Use of calculator and log table is not permitted. However, log values will be given wherever they will be required. Is this instruction clear to you, student?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, students. Okay, here we have student section A, objective type. How many marks? 1 is to 4, 4 marks. Read the passage given below and answer the following questions. Now we have to concentrate. You be with me, students. You be with me. I am going to read each and every line and I will tell you what we have to do, student. First line, an efficient aerobic catalytic system. Can you tell me what is aerobic catalytic system? Aerobic. What is the difference between aerobic and anaerobic? What is aerobic?
Aerobic means use of oxygen.
Use of, yeah, interesting students. We are going to decode each and every word. Aerobic. It is made from air. Yes or no? Air contains
Yes,
what?
sir.
Oxygen gas.
Oxygen.
Clear, students? Will I
Yes,
forget
sir.
now? Inside the body, you are aware of, I am breathing,
Yes, sir.
and what the oxidation of glucose is aerobic or not?
Yes, sir.
Fast? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You be with me, students, be with me. Okay. Aerobic system for transformation of alcohols into carbonyl compounds. Student, important. I am putting alcohols. You know what are alcohols? They are being converted into what compounds? Carbonyl compounds.
Carbonyl compounds.
I am not saying what type of carbonyl compounds yet, student. All I'm saying, let me put it in a more easy way, student. I am putting it like this. Okay? You
Yes, sir.
you have alcohol. It could be 1 degree or 2 degree. 3 degree alcohols do not undergo oxidation. You know about it, student. Okay?
Yes,
So
sir.
uh, if I put students alcohols, okay, they
Yes,
are
sir.
being converted into the carbonyl compounds. Or in more general terms, student, uh, I'm writing like, because I don't know what type of alcohol could be there. Okay? So alcohols are converted into carbonyl compounds under mild conditions. First point. Mild conditions, student. Mild. Number 2 point. You see that when we do oxidation of alcohols, you can use strong conditions or mild conditions. He has mentioned mild conditions. I am keeping a record of that. Important point. Third point. Copper based catalyst has been discovered, student. Copper based catalyst. You already are aware of a reaction of alcohols with copper. In the alcohol chapter, you have seen copper.
Yes, sir.
What the copper did? Copper converted alcohols into carbonyl compounds.
Carbonyl compounds.
When
Aldehyde.
there was a hot tube of the copper, on that vapors of alcohol were passed,
Different
students.
ketones.
Okay. Is that basically research paper? A new catalyst has been formed. The copper based catalytic system utilizes oxygen or air in the ultimate stoichiometry, oxygen producing water as the only byproduct. Up to now, any difficulty in understanding this? That is why they called aerobic oxidation, because oxygen of the air is being used, or direct oxygen I can add. And what is the reaction? He has given R1 R2H. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
5% of CuCl. This is a what they have made, student, a copper based catalyst. And these are the reaction conditions. So number one, alcohols are converted into carbonyl compounds. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Are you with me, students? Okay,
Yes, sir.
very good. Slowly pay attention to each and every line. A wide range of primary, secondary, allylic, and benzylic alcohols can be smoothly oxidized to the corresponding aldehydes or ketones in good genes. Interesting. How many types of alcohols you have studied? When we discussed alcohol, we have told you, student, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree,
3 degree.
Allylic alcohols. What are allylic alcohols, student? You have OH, carbon, and then there is a double bond.
Double bond.
Is that allylic? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. And means we are aware of. This is my primary. This is my secondary. This is my tertiary student, and this is the allylic. And benzylic alcohol. What are benzylic, student? We are aware
Benzene
of it.
ring.
You see that everything we are forming a complete picture of what is. What type of this is? This group is called. This is what benzylic group.
Benzylic group.
So benzylic alcohols. This could be R or anything. We don't know. Okay? This could be. So we are aware of this can be oxidized to the corresponding aldehydes or ketones. Student, air can be conveniently used instead of oxygen without affecting the efficiency. However, use of air requires slightly longer reaction times. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Air is a mixture of gases, student. If I will use air, the oxygen is less. But if I do more of oxygen, direct oxygen, reaction will be faster because the
Okay.
concentration of oxygen will be large. The process is not only economical viable, applicable to large scale reaction because it is environmentally friendly. This has been taken from some research paper.
Okay.
We have read it. You have read it. You have noted the important points,
Yes, sir.
or you need to read again. My point is, paragraph should be read very clearly. Then we will start answering the questions. If I
Okay.
don't understand or don't read it carefully, I will not be able to answer the question. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So the main purpose of this lecture is that how do we answer the paragraph type question, student? The paragraph is not going to this one. It will be changed in the paper. And it could be smaller than this, or it could be larger than this. We don't know. Correct? We
Yes,
don't
sir.
know. We have not seen the paper. Okay, students. Now, are you prepared for the answer, students?
Yes, sir.
Have you energy?
Yes, sir.
Mind is active?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you very much. The following questions are multiple choice question. Choose the most appropriate answer. Okay? The first question, the copper based catalyst mentioned in the study above can be used to convert copper based catalyst propanol to propanoic acid, propanon to propanoic acid, propanon to propanol, or propanol to propanon. Which is the most appropriate answer, students? You will think based on the paragraph, students. Let us see what it means. Propanol. Can you draw the structure of propanol, students? CH3,
Yes, sir. Propanol.
CH2, CH2OH. This is propanol. Yes or no? Fast.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What it means? Propanoic acid. What is the formula of propanoic acid,
CH3,
student?
CH2, COOH.
This, is it the right choice? Yes or no? Tell me. Copper based catalyst. These are copper based catalyst, students. Is it the right choice? Yes or no? First, fast. After
No,
I explain to you everything, that things
no,
will
sir.
become very easy.
No.
No. What is the reason? Tell me. No.
Sir, because copper based catalyst can never convert alcohol to this acid.
Because they are mild.
Yes, sir.
Oxidizing
Mild.
agent. So they will form
either aldehydes or ketones.
Carbonyl compound. Already mentioned in the paragraph. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Propanon to propanoic acid, student?
No, sir.
No, sir. It is not an alcohol. It is not an alcohol.
Yes,
not
sir.
alcohol. It is also the wrong student choice. Propanon to propanol 2.
No, sir.
No, sir. This is also not the correct
Not
answer
alcohol.
because this is not a alcohol. This is also not alcohol, student. And then what is this? Propanol to propanon. What is propane to all? 1, 2, 3. This is your
and second is OH.
propanol.
And then propanone.
And you are using the copper based catalyst, student, given in the paragraph. What it will produce?
Propanone.
Propanone. This is the correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Answer D is the correct choice.
Yes, sir.
In the exam, I don't have to show all this work. Why did I show it, student? Tell me. Why did I explain? I decode everything. Because question will be changed in the paper. Question could be put in a different form, student. Some, what they do, they have different variations in the questions. But if we don't understand, then we can't answer the question. To understand, student, we are learning chemistry because this helps us in learning the reactions also, which will help us in other conversions and that reactions. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
So I will, not only I'm giving answer, but I will explain more, student. So the correct answer is, student, D. Which is the correct answer? D.
D.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
In the exam, you are saying in the exam your answer is D. Okay? Okay, that's all. If you write this D, 1 mark. There's no other thing. I don't need to show you all this in the paper. Next question, student. The carbonyl compound formed when ethanol gets oxidized using copper based catalyst can also be obtained by ozonolysis of but1ene, but2ene, ethene, pent1ene. Do you understand the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, you do it then. What is the problem?
Yes,
First,
sir.
how will we do it? He says the carbonyl compound when ethanol. What is the formula of ethanol, student?
CH3, CH2, OH.
Okay. And when this will be oxidized by copper based catalyst, student, which is mentioned in the paragraph. What is the product, students?
Ethanol.
Ethanol, student. So we
Yes,
are
sir.
aware of that. Now here he is talking of a reaction which is called ozonolysis, students.
Ozonolysis.
You have seen the reaction of ozonolysis? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
You are aware. Then what
Yes,
happens?
sir.
How do we do ozonolysis, students? You have said, student, how do we learn ozonolysis? If you have C double bond E, or you have any groups, R1, R2, or R3, or H, or R4, anything. What happens when you add ozone? What do you get? Ozonide?
Ozonide and then उसके बाद zinc. Yes, sir.
Something like this happens. Then what do you do? Zinc and? Tell me. Zinc will break these bonds because zinc will take the oxygen. Zinc will
Yes,
take the
sir.
oxygen.
Yes, sir.
Zinc will get oxidized, student. What happens then, students? The bonds will start breaking, student. If I break this bond, and I break this bond, student, what will happen? The carbonyl, one oxygen will be taken by the ZNO, and then what are the products? What are the products? You are aware of this reaction. What do you get here? Mixture.
Mixture of products.
Mixture of these compounds you get. Carbonyl or aldehydes. Mixture of carbonyl compounds. So now what is our choice, student? What is the correct answer? We know it. Tell me what is the answer. If I have but1ene, what will be the products?
Sir, the answer will be but2ene.
Answer is butene, 2ene. Let us see if we have doubt, student. 1, 2, 3, 4. CH3. This is my H. This is my H, student. This is butene 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When it reacts with O3, student, what will be the product? When it reacts with, you have to see what type of product is being formed, student. O3. Okay. In this case, the ozonide product is, student. Let me take some space here. We can remove it. Thank you very much, students. You have energy. You are with me. Okay. Thank you. you have already seen what type of reaction you can see now all the reactions which we learned, students. We are using them. We are using them. Yes or no? Fast.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, students. Okay. So what is happening now, students? CH3, CH, O, O, O. You have C, you have H, you have CH3. Okay. This is the ozonide, and when it will break, student, with zinc, what will happen? You already know what happens, students. So if I break this, okay, and I break this, and this oxygen goes with Zn. Zinc is a good reducing agent. You know, zinc will take the oxygen. It gets oxidized, and then what is the product now? Easy, CH3, CH
Yes, 3.
double bond O, and this also CH3, CH
And
double
double
bond O.
bond O.
So 2 moles of
Ethanol will be formed.
what was the requirement here?
Ethanol
Ethanol.
only.
You are getting 2 mole of ethanol.
Yes, sir.
So students, your answer is B. You are getting 1 mark for this correct answer. Next question, student. Now the internal choice is coming. What is this internal choice? Here is an internal choice, student. Which of the following is a secondary allylic alcohol, student? Why did I tell you? He has mentioned in the paragraph paper, student, that copper based catalyst which they have prepared can be used for the oxidation of allylic, benzylic, primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
you have to answer this question, students. You have to answer this question, students.
It will be first one, but 3 in 2 all.
Because we must be able to write, student, the structure of everything.
Yes, sir.
How many? But 1, 2, 3,
3 in.
but 3 into all. This is my but 3 into all. This is if I have 1, 2, 3, 4. OH is at this point, student, and double bond is at this point, student. Then what is this? CH3, CH, CH. This is a compound.
Yes, sir.
This is a compound. Now, is it allylic? First of all, allylic. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And what is the second condition?
Secondary alcohol.
Secondary. Did you note the 2 points? Are there not 1 point? Is it
Yes, sir.
secondary alcohol?
Yes, sir.
How do you say it is secondary alcohol?
So because the carbon to which the OH is attached is further attached to 2 carbon atoms.
This is my carbon. This carbon is attached to 2 carbons. So it is a secondary. It is a secondary carbon. Okay? Therefore,
Yes, sir.
it is example of secondary as well as allylic. Therefore, when you will draw the structures of each one of them, students, they will be allylic, but they may not be secondary. So 2 conditions were there. Important. How many conditions were there? 2 conditions.
2 conditions.
So you see that if I don't read it correctly, I will be in trouble. Because you are lucky, the first one is that. Because there is another one which is also allylic, but that is not secondary.
Yes, sir.
So if I say allylic, okay, oh, student, allylic, then I will be in trouble. We have to read everything very, very carefully, student. This is the correct answer. You are
Yes, sir.
getting 1 full mark for that, student. Pay attention to each and every word in the exam. Did I say that every time? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So A is the correct answer, student. Here in this case, what was the answer? Which answer was there? B.
B.
In this case, answer is
A.
A, because here we have shown the conditions students to be satisfied. Allylic as well as secondary. Allylic as well as secondary. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Further questions are coming, students. Further important questions are coming. Benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. On treatment with this copper-based catalyst compound. Benzyl alcohol on treatment with this copper-based catalyst compound gives a compound A. What is benzyl alcohol? This is my benzyl alcohol, students. If I do a mistake, you will tell me.
Yes, sir.
This is oxidized, student, by this copper based catalyst. What you will get? Product. What product you will get, student? What is the name of this compound?
This is
This is compound A.
benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde.
So you are getting, student, benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde, students. Then what happens? A, which on reaction with KOH? KOH reaction, student. When aldehydes are reacted with alkali, what reaction is it talking about, student? What is this reaction? Give me the name of the reaction, students. What reaction is this? Aldehydes are reacted with alkali, students. There are two types of reactions. Two types of the reaction, students. When aldehydes are reacted with KOH, two types of reaction. You have heard about Cannizzoro's reaction? Have you done Cannizzoro's reaction, students? As well as
yes,
how many
sir.
reactions I told you? Aldol condensation, crossed aldol condensation, and Cannizzoro's. Which one is this?
This is Cannizzaro.
Cannizzaro. Why? What is the Cannizzoro's reaction, student? Aldehydes. What is a Cannizzaro reaction, student? What is a Cannizzaro reaction, student? Aldehydes which do not contain alpha hydrogens. Got the point, student? Have got some idea? When they are treated with dilute alkali, what happens?
Yes, sir.
They form two compounds. What two compounds? They undergo self-oxidation and reduction. What do they form? Alcohol. And what are the other forms, student? Alcohol and salt of the acid, carboxylic acid. Is it right?
Acid. Yes, sir.
Unless I know the reaction, how will I do it?
Okay.
All right. Then what will happen now, student? A will give two compounds. Student, he is saying two compounds. What will be those two compounds, students? One will be CH2OH. And what will be the other compound, students?
COOK. COOK.
Potassium salt. Out of these two, one is B and other is C. Now which is B and which is C, student? Further he says compound B on oxidation with KMNO. B on oxidation. Can this be oxidized?
No, sir.
Which can be oxidized? This
benzyl alcohol.
Then this is B. This will be oxidized, student. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Water oxidizing agent he is using, student, KMNO4.
KMNO4 KOH.
You are aware that alkaline KMNO4 acts as an oxidizing agent, gives a compound
Yes, sir.
C. Then this is C, student. You have got three compounds, A, B, and C, student. Then what is the correct answer, students?
Uh, A option.
What is A? Benzaldehyde.
Benzaldehyde, benzyl alcohol, and potassium salt of
B,
benzoic acid.
he saying A, B, and C. ठीक है? A is benzaldehyde, B is benzyl alcohol, and C is potassium salt of benzoic acid. So the correct answer is, students, what is our
A.
answer in the exam?
A.
A. A is the correct answer, student. So unless I work their action, can I answer the question, students?
No,
Tell
sir.
me, am I cramming anything?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. I hope you, why do I take all this? Because my point should be understood, students. We have time, we have less time, we have to work, students. And focus, concentrate, student. Unless I think there is no answer coming. Unless I think, student, no answer is coming. No answer is coming. Okay, then coming to question 4, student. An organic compound X. What he says? X. ठीक है, organic compound.
Yes, sir.
What is the molecular formula, student?
C3H8O.
C3H8O. On reaction with copper based catalyst. Copper based catalyst, student. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Gives a compound Y, students. Copper based catalyst reaction, what is that? Alcohol. This must be an alcohol.
Alcohol.
That means it is an alcohol, student. It is being oxidized. It has OH group. ठीक है? Gives Y. When alcohols are oxidized, there are two possibilities: aldehyde or ketone.
Ketone.
But Y reduces tolerance reagent test. Y gives tolerance test, student. Tell me, what is tolerance test, student? Fast.
Sir, tolerance test is a test which is used for confirmation of aldehydes.
What we do in tolerance test?
So in this, the aldehyde is reacted with freshly prepared ammonical silver nitrate. So a
Ammonical
silver mirror is obtained.
silver nitrate. And what we get, student? Silver mirror.
Silver
You are
mirror.
aware, you have done in the chemistry lab silver mirror test, student.
Yes, sir.
Silver mirror test. What complex is used in this case? You are aware of the complex.
Silver nitrate, ammonical silver nitrate.
What is the complex which does this reaction? AgNH.
AgNH3 whole twice and whole plus.
What is that? Ag.
NH3 whole twice plus.
But in the alkaline medium, what change take place? It goes to silver. This is
Silver.
1 plus 1 to 0.
0.
Why I am explaining so much? Because any question could be there, student. We should have very complete knowledge of the chemistry. This helps me in 10 more questions. This will help me in 10 more questions, student. Okay, that means it is an aldehyde. Therefore, Y is an aldehyde, student. Right?
Yes, sir.
And how many carbons it has? 3.
It has 3 carbon. So CH3,
carbon.
CH2.
Then what should be the
CH2.
formula?
It is a primary alcohol.
1, 2,
X.
3. It is an aldehyde because
Why is
it
aldehyde?
is giving a test which is tolerant reagent. Therefore, what will be the formula of the X, student?
It will be a primary alcohol.
What alcohol will give this? CH3.
It will be propanol.
CH2OH.
CH2.
Propanol, student. It is propanol. ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Propanol. Okay. So this is propanol, student. All right. Now propanol. What further he says? Which reduces X on reaction with sodium metal. X, this is my X, is reacted with sodium metal, student. If it is reacted with sodium metal, what will be formed, student? What will be formed? When alcohols are reacted with sodium, what happens, student? Tell me. Alcohols are reacted with sodium, what happens?
It was
You are not aware of the reaction of alcohol with
yes, sir. I'm doing
sodium.
that only. Doing only.
What will happen?
It will form an alkoxide.
Sodium
ROH,
alkoxides.
It
Alkoxides.
will
What
form an
will be this?
alkoxide.
CH3,
CH3,
CH2,
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 O
ONA.
minus Na plus. So sodium alkoxide, propanoxide, sodium propanoxide is formed. What it does? Which is a product? What is the product of reaction? This is Z. Z. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
What is the product of reaction of Z? Then Z reacts with 2-chloro 2-methyl propane. This is reacted with what, student?
2-chloro 2-methyl propane.
How do you make that? 1, 2, 3. 2-chloro. This is my 1. This is my 2. My 3, student. CH3, CH3, CH3. This is reacted with this. What will be the product, students?
It will become a third option.
Tell me what type of reaction is he talking about here? What type of reaction is this? What is this reaction, student? You have seen the reaction. What reaction you have seen? RONA plus RX gives what?
This is RX plus RONA.
What reaction is this, student? Very
This
famous
is
reaction. Very famous
Williamson
reaction.
synthesis.
Huh?
Williamson
This is
synthesis.
Williamson synthesis. Very famous reaction. Williamson synthesis. But what is the condition? What is the condition of this Williamson synthesis, students? What is the condition of the Williamson synthesis?
Condition of Williamson synthesis. It was
I am revising the entire chemistry, student. It is just a paragraph. I am giving you 100. I am giving you 50 more questions which could be put from this, and revising the lot of organic chemistry which we have done.
the alkyl halide should be primary.
So we take time for everything, student. We are not answering blindly anything. That's my point. No answer is given blindly, students. We will answer each and every question very, very clearly, student. I
Yes,
hope
sir.
you understand me so well that our purpose is, student, to understand each and every word and to be studying the variations, possible variations in a question, possible variations in a question.
Yes, sir.
In paper, you are going to get a paragraph which we don't know, but trend is like this, that there will be paragraphs. Okay, there will be paragraphs, there will be questions, and we have to read it. But then after that, a lot of knowledge is required. For what knowledge you need? All the organic chemistry you have studied, student. It is being used here. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So when I write a word, I go deep into that. That conditions are there, student. What is the condition? What is the condition, student? It is not question of answering here. Here we are giving you practice session. Here our purpose is those who are preparing for NEET and G also. See, the story is like this, that nowadays paragraphs and question answer is a must for every paper. Let it be any paper, you know about it. And our purpose is to tell you very clearly how do we go through solving paragraph, students. So there are conditions of this Williamson synthesis that the Rx should be 1 degree. Why it should be 1 degree? Why it should be 1 degree? Tell me fast.
Sir, because if it is not 1 degree, then this reaction is an SN2 reaction.
SN2 reaction, student. This is example of SN2 substitution nucleophilic reaction. Therefore, then in this case, what will happen? The elimination will.
Elimination will complete over substitution.
There is a competition between elimination versus substitution, student. You know about it. So here elimination will take place. Then what will be the product? 1 H and 1 Cl minus HCl will be lost, student. So what you will get? CH2 double bond C, CH3 and CH3. So which is the correct answer? Where is that? Which one is the
Third
correct
option.
answer?
Third option.
Third option is the right answer, student. Your answer is correct. So
Yes, sir.
here our answer is C, students. For this part, you have seen how much we have to do the work in order to answer questions, student.
Yes,
It's
sir.
just not that I can write any answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I thank you very much, students. Thank you. Thank you, students. Another paragraph is there. How many marks? 1:4, 4 marks. 1:4, 4 marks, students. Okay? Then will be 4
Yes, sir.
questions. 4 questions. Read the passage given below and answer the following questions, students. The amount of moisture that leather absorbs, student. Leather can absorb moisture. What means absorption, student? You have studied absorption. You have studied
Yes, sir.
absorption, student. Tell me. Which where you have studied absorption? Tell me fast.
Sir, in surface chemistry.
Surface chemistry. Okay. The amount of moisture leather absorbs or loses determined by temperature, relative humidity, degree of porosity, and size of the pore. You have a leather. This is my leather. ठीक है? ये leather पड़ा. There are pores in that, student. And how much water is there? And then it in the air, student, humidity, temperature. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Humidity, humidity, how many pores, size of the pores, all this, it depends on that. Moisture has great practical significance because its amount affects the durability of leather and its articles such as shoes, gloves, and other garments, the comfort of the wear. Higher moisture content accelerates the deterioration, student. If it absorbs, number 2 point, more moisture. If it absorbs more moisture, what will happen? This will deteriorate.
Yes, sir.
Deteriorate, student. खराब हो जाएगा?
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Because these pores which were to do the absorption, they have got water in that.
Block हो
लेदर
जाएंगे.
आपका जो है लेदर में वाटर है बहुत ज्यादा, तो ये डिटोरेट हो जाएगा. आप टू ये पैराग्राफ क्लियर हो गया. And promotes mildew action. On the other hand, minimum amount of moisture is required to keep leather properly lubricated and prevent cracking. ठीक है? And thus prevent cracking. Third point. But minimum, ठीक है? Minimum moisture
sir.
is required, so that the leather is lubricated properly and this prevents cracking. What it does? Prevents cracking, student. Minimum amount is required. What is the role of this minimum amount of moisture? Prevent cracking. The study indicates absorption of moisture by leather is a multi-molecular process, student. Fourth point. You see, I am reading, I am noting certain points. Do I note certain point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because it will help me in answering the question. Multimolecular means what, student? Multimolecular accompanied by low enthalpies of adsorption. Low delta H. What it means? What type of adsorption is this? Tell me.
It is physiosorption.
Physisorption. Physisorption, students. What is the difference between physiabsorption and chemisorption? We told you in our lectures. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Further, at 75% relative humidity, the absorption is a function of surface area alone. When humidity is 75%, large water is there, then it depends only on the surface area. I mean, the other factors do not play. Next point. Hide is a tanned, hide is tanned to harden the leather. You have seen tanning. Tanning. What is tanning? There was a question on what is tanning. Tell me what is tanning? That the skin is immersed in a solution of
Tannin.
tannic acid so that it becomes hard. The process of tanning occurs due to mutual coagulation of positively charged hide and negatively charged tanning material. This hide is positively charged. Positively charged. Okay? And
Yes, sir.
the what is the tanning material? Negatively charged. So what will happen if tanning material? This is what you call as coagulation. Mutual coagulation. ठीक है? It will
Yes,
harden
sir.
that. ठीक है? Untanned hide and chrome tanned leathers. Untanned. ठीक है? ठीक है? Untanned, which are not tanned, and chrome tanned leathers have largest surface area. If it is not tanned hide and chrome tanned leathers, their surface area is larger. The leathers tanned with vegetable tanning materials have smaller surface area. Vegetable tanning, something called vegetable tanning. If I use vegetable tanning, then those will go inside the pores. They are composed of less hide substance and capillaries are reduced to smaller diameters. There are capillary students which are reduced to smaller. In some cases, probably completely filled by tanning materials. Okay? In some cases, probably completely
Okay.
filled by tanning material. The result of the study indicated that untanned hide and chrome tanned leather absorb the most water vapor. So most water vapor will be absorbed by whom? Which are untanned and chrome tanned leather. Have you read it?
Yes, sir.
This is a journal of research of National Bureau of Standard. Absorption of water vapor by untanned hide and various leathers at 100 F. ठीक है?
Okay.
What is the story now? In these question number 5 to 8, a statement of assertion followed by a statement of reason is given. I will give a separate video on assertion and reasoning.
Okay.
Yeah? I'll
Okay.
explain in detail. What I will explain, assertion and reasoning. What is assertion? Assertion is a fact, is a statement. And reason is another statement. Okay?
Okay.
Which could be, assertion could be true or false, right? It could be correct. Assertion could be either right or wrong. If I said assertion, student A, what it means? It is a statement of fact. It could be right or wrong. Okay? It could
Okay.
be correct or it could be a wrong statement. And then reason could also be correct or wrong.
Okay.
But if it is correct, it is correct, and reason supports the assertion. Reason supports the assertion. That is one possibility. Another is both are correct, but reason does not support the assertion. This has nothing to do with it, but the statement is correct. Both are correct, but the reason is not supporting the assertion. That is the second possibility.
Okay.
And
Okay.
third possibility is that assertion is correct and reason is wrong. So that third point. Fourth is assertion is wrong and reason is right. So read it carefully. He says assertion and reason both are correct. ठीक है? Both are correct. दोनों both are correct statement, but reason
Okay.
is correct and reason is correct explanation for the assertion. If this is a situation, answer is A. Second,
Okay.
assertion and reason both are correct. ठीक है? Both are correct. But reason is not correct explanation, is not the correct explanation for the assertion. That means the statements are correct, but it is not supporting the first one. Not supporting the first one. Clear? Assertion is correct, but reason is wrong. Then answer is C. Assertion correct, reason wrong. Assertion wrong, reason correct. then D. So students, we will read it very carefully. The D is the easiest choice. If assertion is wrong, then answer is D. If assertion is correct, but reason is wrong, C. And then A and B, we have to make a choice. Most difficult will be here. Do you understand? Do you understand,
sir.
students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, student. Okay. So what we are saying, student, first question he says, first, for example, first question he says, vegetable tan leather cannot absorb large amount of moisture. Tell me, is it correct statement? Tell me.
Uh, yes, it is correct.
We have told you in the paragraph, vegetable tan leather cannot absorb large amount of moisture because
Yes, sir.
already there is a lot of vegetable. This is correct. Assertion is correct. Porous materials have higher surface area. Reason. Tell me, is the reason correct?
Yes,
Porous
sir.
materials have a larger surface area.
Yes, sir.
This is also correct. But does it support this? That is the question.
No, sir.
No. Both are correct. But porous materials have higher surface area is not supporting this. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
देखो, both are correct, but reason is not correct explanation for the assertion. Correct, but not correct explanation. Then what is the answer? What answer we are giving?
It will be B.
Choice is B.
B.
B choice. Okay. Second question, students. Second question. Assertion. Animal hide soaked in tannin. Animal hide soaked in tannin results in hardening of the leather. Is the statement correct? Is the
Animal
assertion
handling.
correct, student?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Because that is why tanning occurs due to mutual coagulation. Is this reason correct?
Yes, sir. Reason is correct.
Reason is correct. Does this reason supports this? Why the hardening of leather takes place? What is the reason for that?
Modern tannin results in the hardening of leather.
Does the reason is a correct explanation? Is a correct explanation
It is
for the
it is
assertion.
explaining. It is explaining assertion.
So then what is the answer?
It will be A.
A is the correct choice. Both are correct, and also the reason is correct explanation of the assertion. Number 3 point, student. Absorption of moisture by leather is physisorption, students. Physisorption.
Yes, so it is correct.
Assertion correct, because you have
Yes,
seen
sir.
this is example of physisorption.
Yes, sir.
Assertion correct. It is a multimolecular process and is accompanied by low enthalpies of adsorption. Reason
Yes, sir. It is also correct.
correct. Is it the correct explanation for the assertion?
Uh, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, it is a correct explanation. Then what is the answer?
A.
Answer is A. Answer here, my answer is A, student. Answer A. Answer A. Third answer. ठीक है? This is my first answer. My second answer. This is my third answer. Now I'm coming to the fourth answer, student. Leathers tanned with vegetable tanning material have smaller surface areas. Is it the assertion correct?
Strong surface area. Yes, sir.
Huh?
Assertion is correct.
Assertion is correct. Okay. Assertion correct. Some moisture is necessary to prevent cracking of leather. The reason,
The capillaries present in leather are reduced to smaller diameters.
some moisture is necessary. What was the, you have seen the paragraph, student? What he said? ठीक है? Smaller. ठीक है? The leather stand with vegetable. Studying here, absorption of moisture is a multimolecular process. Relative is a function of surface area. The process of tanning occurs due to mutual coagulation on tanned hide, and they have larger. The leather stand with vegetable tanning have smaller surface area since they are composed of less hide, and the capillaries are reduced to, in some cases, probably completely filled by tanning. The result of study indicated untanned and chrome tanned leather absorbs the most water vapor, students. This indicates the absorption of moisture by leather. ठीक है? On the other
Yes,
hand,
sir.
minimum amount of moisture is required to keep the leather properly lubricated and prevent cracking. Minimum amount of water is required. What is this statement now? What is the statement?
Sir, reason is correct.
The capillaries. What was the question which we are doing? Some
This
moisture
one.
is necessary. Some
Sir, the
moisture
above
to
one. Above one.
above this one.
Yes, sir. The और के ऊपर वाला कर रहे थे हम. The capillaries present in
The
leather.
capillaries are reduced to smaller. अच्छा ठीक है. Leather
Correct.
stand with they have smaller surface area. The capillaries present in the leather are reduced to smaller diameter. ठीक
Correct.
है?
Yes, sir.
Reason is correct. Then is it the correct explanation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This is the correct explanation. Then what is the answer?
This will be A.
Answer is A. Next question, student. What he says?
Leather absorbs different amount of moisture.
Leather absorbs different amount of moisture.
This is correct.
Correct. Assertion is correct. Okay. Some moisture is necessary to prevent cracking of the leather.
It is also correct.
Okay. Reason is also correct. But is it the reason for this?
No, sir.
No. It is not explanation.
So it will be B.
Therefore, the answer will be B. The answer is B, students. Therefore, students, I hope this lecture has made you very clear, students, how to attempt paragraph type of questions.
Yes, sir.
Does it help you?
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me.
Yes,
So,
sir.
students, mainly what we have tried here, students, to show you how to answer such questions in the paper. Assertion and reason questions, and how to read a paragraph and make each and every word, each and every line. Student, you will note down certain salient points, and then we will answer the questions. Practice will continue in the future lectures also, as per the board syllabus, and we will try to give you more and more paragraphs, more and more reason assertion questions in the coming lectures. Okay, then Thank you very much, students, for being with me, for interacting with me, students. These are vital lectures which will help you in scoring very high marks in the examination. So you be with me, and you can forward our important videos to the students who are appearing for the coming papers, and students who have not subscribed the channel, they will subscribe. Our purpose is to give you sufficient amount of practice for the exams so that you can score higher and higher percentage and score 100 out of 100. I thank you once again for being with me and interacting with me and having energy and having the mindset of student and attitude to answer most of the questions. Okay, then good night. I see you in the next class.
Okay, thank you, sir.
If you like it, you can say okay. Uh,
Yes, sir.
all right. Bye bye. We see you in the next
Okay.
class.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
good night.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.